Welcome to my travel series. I'm going to share with you everything that I wouldn't go on a long haul flight without. First up, we have this binder. It's a specific binder, and wherever you're seeing this in the comments, I'll make sure there's a link. This binder is going to ensure that if anything happens, that you can get on top of it very quickly. It binds to toxins and removes it out of the system, but I also find this one stimulates digestion, and it's just a really good fail-safe. If I had have had this when I was overseas and I had, I'd swallowed some bad water, had I had that, I wouldn't have had years of challenges. I would have just let's get this out right there and then. I just won't travel without it. It's amazing. You could also do it for food poisoning, or if you had some gluten that was upsetting you. I just love it. Next up, Fulvic minerals. Once again, I'll link the one that I recommend because there are so many shit ones. This is going to assist with remineralization and hydration, actually penetrating and reaching the cells. When you're flying, it's like a game-changing difference between jet lag, not jet lag, and just all sorts of things. It's also incredible to support the system with detoxing. It'll clear out the heavy metals and things that you do experience whilst traveling. So Fulvic minerals is the second one, game changer, that I won't leave without. If you know my teachings, you know I swear by fluid dynamics and keeping everything moving, as well as supporting the fascia within our system. So the myofascial release ball is going to be incredible because you essentially, when you're traveling, you want to allow everything not to constrict so that the toxins can keep moving, the fluid systems in the body can keep moving. This will be the difference between your appearance as well. So I would use this between my shoulders, over my rhomboids, or anywhere else that I felt I needed to. And it's amazing to take for pre-post travel. I have some myofascial classes on my portal that I recommend, and I also have these available too. I would also take this copper peptide calming mist. It's a spray that I love for the face. That's to help with the inflammation or hydration. Magnesium glycinate, and if it's a really long haul trip from Australia to LA or Australia to London, I would probably take some melatonin as well, because I swear by nothing else than making sure that when you're on the plane, you sleep or wake according to your destination. So if I get on the plane and it's sleep time in London and that's where I'm landing, I would make sure I'm taking a melatonin, 2 magnesiums, and I'm doing my routine, and I'm going to sleep at all costs so that when I arrive, I'm already in tune and I never get jet lag. If you ever want to elevate your magnetism and the way that you're experiencing the world, it can be really great to be aware of your scent and your auric protection. This is a jasmine scented natural roll-on essence, and I just pop it here, 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 and it really does elevate your magnetism. With that, a natural deodorant I use, it's a coconut and vanilla one by Noosa Basics, and I absolutely wouldn't be caking makeup on or putting any chemicals on my body. I don't anyway, but when you're on those flights, again, you want to be mindful that you want everything to be moving freely, and so let's not block that lymph, etc. The other thing is books. I'm currently reading Golf is Not a Perfect Game. I know. I'm also reading a fantasy novel, A Curse of Blood and Stone, loving both of them, and please read more because it's amazing. The most important things to me are the binder, the magnesium, the books, and the myofascial release. Okay, the fulvic minerals, everything that I shared are all important to me. If you want it to be bougie, add in your, well, it's not really bougie, it's actually important, but compression socks, why not? Try to elevate your legs, absolutely. Try to walk. Open your 6 main lymph nodes before, after, and during when you travel. I've got full videos on those. And then also do your acupressure points that I've taught through the Amavi portal too. Those are so amazing. And just be mindful that you don't want to be digesting heavy things, because while you're flying, the digestive system isn't going to be optimal. So I would be doing light things.